In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store app data efficiently. Knowing how to properly store your app data is crucial not only for convenience, but also for ensuring that your precious information is safely backed up and easily retrievable when needed. Let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step process. First, we're going to utilize iCloud Backup, a feature that's become an essential aspect of data storage for many iOS users. iCloud Backup simplifies the way your data is preserved, ensuring everything from documents to your app data is securely saved. To get started, head over to your device's settings. Once there, you'll want to tap on your name at the top, which will lead you into the iCloud settings. This is the hub where all your iCloud preferences are managed. As we explore the iCloud options, navigate to iCloud Backup. Here, you'll find a simple toggle that allows you to turn iCloud Backup on. Sliding this toggle to the on position activates the automatic backing up of data. This covers a wide range of important items like your app data and device settings, securing them in iCloud. But we're not done here. Immediately after enabling it, look for the option that says Backup Now and give it a tap. This will manually initiate a backup at this moment, ensuring that everything is currently up to date in the cloud. Moving forward, let's discuss the importance of enabling app-specific iCloud storage. This step is particularly crucial for those apps that contain significant amounts of data you'd rather not lose. To set this up, again, go back to your device's settings, select your name, and dive into the iCloud section once more. Here you'll see a list of apps that can utilize iCloud for data storage. For each app you want to back up, turn on the toggle next to it. This tells iCloud to specifically back up data from that particular app, ensuring its information is secure and synchronized across your devices. Bear in mind though, not all apps have the capability to use iCloud for data storage. Some apps might store their data locally or use their own external servers, so it's always good to check app specifications if you're unsure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can store your app data effectively and ensure it's safeguarded against data loss. This simple setup can save you a lot of headaches in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your digital life a little more smoothly. Be sure to check for updates, as these options might evolve, offering you even more ways to keep your data safely stored.